A team of experts from the National Police Service, including forensic investigators, homicide detectives, other police officers, as well as government pathologists, are here with us, conducting investigations, carrying out exhumations, and also rescuing those who are still within this expansive land and could be alive. Some National Police Service, we strongly condemn any form of religious organization that promotes extremist beliefs and operates outside the confines of the law, putting the safety and well-being of Kenyans at risk and violating a basic human rights. Well, Article 32(1) of our Constitution, that is the Constitution of Kenya 2010, provides for the right to freedom of conscience, religion, thought, belief, and opinion. The law further requires that the same be done within the boundaries of the law and with respect for the rights and safety of other people. On behalf of the National Police Service, we wish to thank members of the public for their cooperation so far. Since this matter was reported to us, brought to our attention, we also extend our gratitude to many human rights bodies and organizations, and most importantly, the media, for your support. That is the much we wanted to let you know this morning.